Okie dokie, got another one here. This seems to be a garden line, which is the aldl brand type of chainsaw. This is a, what is this one? This one's a, I think it's about 38cc, whatever it is. You know, mixture 25:1, yeah, 37.2. Cheap generic chainsaws and dual clone. It's more to akin of a G38 100 of a Zendoa, and this was sold to me as a bulk lot. There's no compression, not working. You know, I found out the reason why it's got no compression. It's quite simple, but a busted fuel primer. Got to check a switch. No. Pretty standard. I'm going to take the fuel cap, air filter off. It was made in May of 09. The filter was clean. It's actually a pull apart filter, which is actually a better one. And it's got a wall bar in it. If I come in here a little bit closer. Got a wall boy. See the lack of dust in it. Either someone sat there and cleaned it, or this saw hasn't seen any work. And it's missing a spark plug for some reason. So I'm going to do a quick compression test on here and see what's up to deal with it. If I can find my little torch, I'm going to have a little peek down the bore and see what I'm going to see here. And I am mid-process of cleaning up. Let's see. Well, the exhaust is spotless. No. Got one of these things that come back. I don't think you guys get a good video in there. But she's pretty clean. There's no scratch on her. As far as I can see, you know, it doesn't look like there's rough machining in it. Then a quick hone. That's usually typical of a slightly undersized bore. But in this application, I don't think it's going to be an issue. It's with the settings of a wall boy. As Kevin pointed out before, occasionally you get these on like a Husqvarna style, but not in this case. Like the fuel line, it's super soft there, so this is all made of plastic. So this is a weird one for me. It's just a standard spur sprocket on this with an Olgan. I think it's a 14-inch chain on it, or bar on it. But yeah, 14 inch or so. Olga 91, pretty standard. Okay. And we've got 140. It was 140, it was just leaking down, so that is good. Just a puff. Sorry about that, dogs. Just a spitsy poo. Oh, that locked. That's very stiff. I might have a little bit of lube in that ball. George, be a bit of work. Don't want to start, does it? There you go. Got plenty of compression. I think she's just a bit gummed up. It looks virtually new, so okay, it's probably just still gummed up. I'll have to pull this off and give the mech a bit of a clean. But she's going to be interesting or sore. If I get it to work and she holds oil, I don't know, I might give it to someone. You know, I don't do much with these particular saws. This be early enough, I wouldn't have a cat in it, so that's a good sign. But yeah, just the cheapies. Reasonable capacity in it though.